I can tell you right now, this is definitely designed to climb every hill. With the dual motors, you have a waterproof modular design and the ability to climb 36-degree hills, and you got yourself one heck of a scooter. With two 750-watt motors, a peak of 1,500 watts, and a 14.7 amp-hour battery is the Climber by Innovation, my new favorite electric scooter. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. That is exactly what we are going to find out as we unbox this, put it together, take it for a spin, then we're going to grade it on fit, form, and function. This is a good looking scooter. There you go. It looks just like the picture on the box. And as the box says, dual motor. You have two 750 watt motors, one on that wheel, one on this wheel right here, peak of 1,500 watts. You get a battery that is 36 volt, 14.7 amp hour battery. They say this is modular in design, so you can take off the wheels and change the inner tube in less than 10 minutes. Okay, speaking of, look what you get with the box right here. Okay, you get two extra inner tubes. You get the cord for your power adapter right there. You get a tire inflation tool. You get some Allen keys. You get some wrenches. You get two extra bolts right there. And of course your owner's manual, all of that good stuff. Okay, this thing is called the Climber because it will climb a 36-degree incline. It has a top speed of 24 miles an hour and it has smart battery management, which constantly monitors the status of each and every battery right in here. And it also has battery balance ability. So it takes a look at each battery. If one is putting off too much power, it will kind of adjust things so you get a long life out of your battery pack, okay? You get a headlight, which is really cool right here. It's integrated, okay? You have turn signals. They even put covers on the grips. Look at that, there's covers on the grips. We can power her up. Here she is. Okay, will this come off? I hope this comes off because this gave me so much trouble on a different bike. Okay. I don't know if this is supposed to come off. I guess we leave that on. I don't know. I'm gonna have to contact the company because I took this off of another one and it was a pain in the butt to get all the residue and everything off. So we'll just have to see what they want me to do with that, okay? But as you can see, look at your turn signal. It's in the handlebar. Let's go over here. Look at that, front and back. Oh, that's ingenious. That is really cool. So we'll peel this off. There's your QR code for all the information. So we'll put this right here. There it is. Okay. And I want to show you. There it is. Is that not cool? On the front side and the back side of your grips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they go off. I love it. Okay. We have a brake light, which is right there. That's also has a little protector on it. We'll take that off. And they have a headlight right here that we're going to have to look and see how this is activated, okay? But I am really looking forward to this. This will hold 286 pounds, so you can be a very stout person. These are 10-inch tires. There's an electric brake on both wheels, plus the disc brake on the rear wheel. So when you hit the brakes here, it's going to activate. See? There's your brake. Love it. And what else? This weighs 46 pounds, and it looks like it's going to be so much fun to ride. Even in the rain, it's IP56 waterproof rating. Nice. All right, well, as you can see, sun is going down, so we're going to have to do this in the morning, so stay tuned. As you can see, we went ahead and we removed the little sticker that was over here, so we are good to go. The battery is fully charged. We're in D for drive, and we are going to enjoy using these turn signals and all that the Inmotion Climber has to offer, because I have a hill that I just happen to call Torque Hill. It's a beautiful day for a scooter ride, and we are going to climb hills with ease, as it says right here, because that's what this climber was made to do. So let's just go out and have some fun. Well, I tell you right now, she really wants to go. Yeah, she is quiet. I can't hear anything. All right, way to go, girl. Here we go. Hit the brakes. Nice. Okay. Well, yeah, this is 8, 9, 10 miles an hour immediately. Let's go into sport if I can. Here we go. We got the most power. So you can walk it, you can drive it, you can sport it. That's how much power it's given to you. And with a 36-degree hill climbing capability, I'm expecting some really, really great things. Okay, we're going to go down. This is part of the trail that I take on my electric bikes right here. And it is bouncy. Yeah, this is not a good road, which means it's a perfect road to test out your scooters and your bikes. Okay, I should have used my turn signal. I can't wait to use my turn signal. There's my bell. Watch out, folks, I'm coming through. Yes. You know what? It's doing a really, really good job. I cannot hear anything. I mean, you can't hear the tires. If I hit the throttle, I can't hear it. You can't hear the motor. Oh, nice. Nicely done. Okay. You know, I've tested all kinds of scooters. I've got a huge scooter coming up. And you can tell immediately if it's a well-built scooter, you know, if the wheels are really lined up, if it's assembled correctly, if the components are quality, and if there's, you know, strength in the frame. And I would say absolutely yes on this one. All of those categories. Okay, this is Torque Hill. This is where we're going to test 38-volt battery. We got two 750-watt motors, peak of 1,500 watts. Anything above 12 is a winning. We're going 19. This is electric bike speed right here. This, okay, 18 miles an hour. Yeah, this scooter will fly. 17, 18, and it's like nothing. And it is so quiet. Okay, this is 18. She, absolute A. Absolutely gets an A on this one. Wow. Okay. You know what? This might be a keeper. Yeah. This thing is so much fun. And it is so quiet. Okay, so here we're coming to an intersection again. Let me put on my blinkers so he knows that we are turning. He just gave me a smile. See, can you see the blinkers working right there? Oh, they turn. Wait a minute. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They blink 7 times and they turn off. So it's like a cancel feature, which is perfect. Holy crap, this thing likes to fly. You know, I had my doubts because I had another scooter. They said it was meant to go up hills, and that one, it did not. This one, yeah, she loves to climb hills. Well, that's why they call her the climber. You know, I want to test out the top speed. I'm almost afraid to. I'm afraid the top speed of this thing is going to be faster than I want to go in my age. Yeah, whoa. That's 22. 24. There's your top speed 24. It's governed to 24, and it feels like it could do so much more. It really does. This is a solid scooter. 22 miles an hour now. And I got to tell you, the smart battery management system is a game changer. That's going to keep your batteries going for longer. It's going to keep them conditioned, well prepared for the hills, even the flatlands. Get under this tree right here. Holy moly. Okay, let's pull a U and let's just hit it. Oh yeah. You live in a hilly town, this is the scooter for you. Oh, come on now. 24 is so easy. This is 23. Here we go. Now the scooter itself doesn't weigh a whole lot. I'll put the weight on the screen right there for you. And you can weigh up to, I think it's 287 pounds. So you can be a big guy or a big girl, and this is still going to get you up those hills, get you to work, get you to school, get you home with a load of laundry so you can have your mom wash all your clothes. This, yeah, she loves to go. There are no rattles. There's nothing to shake. There's no other sound other than you've got the wind in your hair. And it's silent. This thing, even the brakes, silent. Oh, yeah. Okay. She was built for speed, folks. This is 22. I'm just coasting. She's coasting at 22. I'm home, and I gotta tell you, I'm smiling from ear to ear. This scooter, it's not the biggest scooter, but it is perhaps the most fun I have had on a scooter in a very, very long time. So let's go ahead. We're gonna grade this on fit, form, and function. Fit, how it came out of the box. Well, super easy to put together. Every scooter is easy. This is perhaps the easiest. So we're giving it an A for fit. Form, the way it looks, can I tell you how much I love this? Yeah, this is so cool. Can I tell you how much I love the integrated screen right now? And the sticker, it just removed. It just came off so perfectly. There's not a scratch on this. It was packed so well. There's not a scratch anywhere on this thing. The throttle, I think it's a good looking scooter. I like the gray, the black with the orange accents, especially down here by the wheels. This was so much fun. So for form, yeah, we're gonna give it an A. Function, is there a score higher than A+? I don't know. I got B's in high school, so I would have no idea. But let me tell you how much fun this is right here. I love this scooter. Yeah, the power, two 750 watt motors, 1500 watt peak power. You got the 38 volt battery right there. This thing flew up the hill like it was an electric bike, like it was going flat. Yeah, the Climber is certainly a climber. We're giving it an A++++++ for form. Overall, yeah, she gets an A because I think this is really the coolest scooter I've been on in a very, very long time. So Inmotion, climb hills with ease, is certainly very, very true. Overall, yeah, we're going to give it an A+. If you're interested in getting some more information on the Climber from Inmotion, we're going to have more information in the description box below the video. Trust me, if you're thinking about getting into the scooter world, if you have a scooter and you want to upgrade, take a look at this one. Because if this, here I'm going to give my age, 1-year-old man can have fun on a scooter, however old you are or however young you are, you're probably even going to have more fun. All right? I love it. This made my day. It really, really did. So please check out the Climber by Inmotion. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon. We'll see you. Bye-bye.